Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. Upcoming Tata Altroz awarded 5 stars in Global NCAP Adult Safety Rating. Tata Altroz has received a 5-star adult safety rating from Global NCAP, a global car assessment program, cementing its position as the safest India-made hatchback. We would like to encourage all other car manufacturers in India to follow Tata's example and bring affordable 5-star cars to Indian consumers, said President. Global NCAP. Tata Altroz is launching on January 22, 2020. TVS Motor forayed into EV market with the scooter TVS iQube electric. TVS Motor has forayed into electric vehicles market with TVS iQube electric. Designed with high-tech features, the TVS iQube electric delivers a range of 75 km under eco mode, providing a top speed of 78 km/h. It is equipped with next-gen smart Xconnect technology and powered by 3 Li-ion battery packs and a silent motor to keep you connected on the go. Jaguar developing shape-shifting seat that makes body think it's walking. Jaguar Land Rover is working on a shape-shifting seat system designed to prevent health risks caused by sitting down for too long by simulating walking feeling. The system uses a series of actuators in the seat to create micro-adjustments to make the brain think the person is walking. The morphable seat could be tailored to suit each driver and passenger.